Shut up and sit down.
Speech on unity is strength. Unity is strength speech for students and children in English. Honorable Principal, Vice Principal, Teacher, and my dear fellow students. Good morning to one and all. I, a student of class 11, Swati Singh, have prepared a speech on the power of unity, which I would like to present to all of you today. You may have been thinking about the opportunity behind this speech today. But let me clarify your doubts first. There is no such opportunity, but given the growing issues of violence and terrorism in our state and country on a large scale, I had a great desire to address the power of unity and to include our fellow students in the discussion. Apart from this, we also come in many violent cases of discontent spread around us and feel that these days people are getting less and losing moral and moral values. It is a high time that we sit and feel the direction in which direction we are going towards. Our country, India, is known as a multicultural land where people of different villages, cultural, and social backgrounds live in harmony. However, the irony of the situation is such that our own country is affected by the increasing incidents of communal violence, conflicts, terrorist activities, etc. Every day, we come in news about the horrific incidents of violent behavior and bloodshed, where so many innocent people lose their lives. It is a high time that we remember ourselves that the maximum part of the age is called unity, which is power and can prevent violence in its motherland. After all, do we not know that we are standing, we fall apart? Our country will never emerge as a strong and developed nation unless its tragic state gets better and people understand that violence never satisfies any problem, but it enhances it. Apart from this, man is a social creature and cannot live in isolation. It will require the company of others to validate its existence. A man cannot do everything. He cannot handle many things at one time, and therefore he has to work in support of others. For example, if a teacher teaches students, who will sow crops and feed the people? Who will sew the clothes? Who will take care of the patients? Who will protect the boundaries of our country, etc.? That's why it calls for unity and teamwork. A person can't live without the help of other people. Therefore, everyone should work in harmony and encourage each other and support them as well. If people remain harsh and non-cooperative, then the foundation of our society will be overturned and our nation will never be able to present itself as a strong nation at par with the powerful countries of the world. Unity gives strength to each person and helps in the formation of a powerful nation. The opposite state of discord eats the good of a country and makes it retrograde. Let's make ourselves sensitive to this serious issue and resolve to free our motherland from violent and barbaric behavior. Thanks.